For The Trade Desk, penciling in a beat on earnings as the tech company outpaced nearly all areas of digital advertising in 2022. That's according to CEO Jeff Green. The company announcing a $700 million share repurchase program. That never hurts, and the shares are up about 16% this morning as a result. So ad tech, it's not the first thing you would think of as doing fantastically well in this environment. And yet these guys managed to pull it out here, and analysts are echoing that they outpace the rest of the industry.
Yeah, I'm all about full radical transparency with our viewers. I do not wake up in the morning thinking about Trade Desk. This is not a company I follow very extremely closely. A couple tidbits off this release that I like as a former analyst. I like that operating margins were up 200 basis points year over year in a challenged ad market like that, like the new stock buyback. And on that score, it makes a lot of sense to me, but a name I need to go back on and do a little more homework.
Let me tell you something. The Trade Desk is a riveting company. And I say that as somebody who worked on their IPO when I was working at NASDAQ. So a little bit biased there. However, you look at the stock performance since this company has gone public, and they've done a couple of stock splits, one of which that I believe happened just about 18 months ago, maybe a little bit more than that. So you're seeing the price move over the past 5 years. They're up by about 1,100%. It's an amazing company that's really tapped into a niche part of the programmatic advertising market and being able to act as an exchange to make sure that the insertion orders that companies are trying to initiate are able to get the best bid or sale price. So almost imagine like a stock market and kind of the best bid or ask, but for your advertising insertions as well.
Glad you're excited about it.
Which one were you more excited about, Akamai or Trade Desk?
You know what? Akamai was they were crushing it last night. I am absolutely blown away, especially when you listen at 1.5 speed. Yeah. Everybody sounds better.
That's a good idea.
But does that mean they speak faster? 1.5 speed, is that faster or slows it down?
It's faster.
Wow, that's kind of cool.
Yeah, I'm kind of surprised you don't do it that way.
I do a lot of keyword searches on earnings calls, transcripts, while I'm listening to things in real time. You just can't manage everything, Julie.
Secrets from the earnings calls. Yeah, I just don't.
We have to write that. We have to write that article, Brad. Top 3 secrets to winning big on earnings call analysis.
Command
Let's
F.
go. I'm ready to go. Let's write it up.